Good morning. This is Kelley from Croc Floors, and I'm here to talk to you about a question that we sometimes get from our customers. They ask us, are studded tires a problem for the Croc Floor? So we wanted to address that question and see if we can have some answers for you. So first of all, I want to show you my husband's Jeep. It has studded tires on it. So Jim, if you can zoom in and they can see where the studs are, right in here, you see the studs. Okay, so that's what our studded tires look like. Now I want to just take a little bit of a look at the floor and see if you can see anything from the studded tires. So what we have found is that you can't see anything from the studded tires. Our Jeep drives in and out of the garage and has no problem with the studded tires. Now keep in mind, we have a straight entrance into our garage. We do not have to turn any corners or add any extra stress on our floor by doing those turns. We pull straight in and straight out when we drive on our floor. And so that is maybe one reason why we have no problems with our Croc Floor and the studded tires. Now let me show you what can happen to concrete if you're outside and someone is driving with studded tires and they're doing what we call dry steering. And what dry steering means is that you're turning without actually moving the car. So you're just cranking that wheel and you're not you don't have the car moving or the vehicle moving that you're working with. And that can cause a problem on concrete. So let's go take a look and see what that looks like. Because we had that happen to our driveway, and I wanted to show you what that looks like. So here are a couple spots right here, Jim. And these marks here are caused by dry steering when you have studs on your tires. Now let's take a look down here. You can see a couple more spots, some right here, and a little bit right there, and again right here. And that's what studs and dry steering can do to your concrete floor. But we haven't had that on our Croc Floor, but it can happen on concrete floors. So it's something to keep in mind when people are using studs, to go ahead and make sure that whoever's driving on that concrete or even the Croc Floor, to make sure that they're driving in and out and for sure that they're not dry steering. And so I hope this helps to answer the question of whether or not damage can be done to your Croc Floor by studded tires. And the answer for us is no. We've had great luck and we've had no damage done to our floor, and we drive in and out of our garage daily. So we've had a good test of what the Croc Floor does over time with studded tires. I hope this helps, and have a great day.